Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from your photo for free using the Dreamface app. You don't need any editing skills and the process is super easy. So let's get started. First, just open the Dreamface app on your phone. And then if you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And then after opening the app, just simply log in using your Google account. And once you're on the home page, just scroll to the right until you find an option called Mark Remover. This one, just tap on it. And then in here, just tap on the start with a photo. This one. And then next, just choose or upload the photo that contains the watermark that you want to remove. Make sure the watermark is clearly visible for the better results, for example like this. And then next, just tap on confirm and wait for the process. Okay, like this, the Dreamface will automatically remove the watermark from your photo like this. Your photo is now clean and watermark free without paying anything. And okay, maybe that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.